Where's the donut? Oh, that was a plain donut. There was nothing on it. Just blueberries and a donut.
I'm done.
You're all done?
I'm done.
Okay, well guess what? Hold on. Want
I
to...
wash the dishes.
Are you going to wash the dishes now?
Yes.
How about your hand? So what are you gonna wash? You gonna wash the dishes?
Yes.
Okay. Don't spill it now, okay? Okay. Well, you ready to wash dishes?
Yeah.
And what's your name again?
Wash dishes.
Okay. Good for you. Okay. Let's go wash dishes. God, aren't we spunky this morning?
See Ellie's fingers?
Let's see Ellie's fingers.
There's nothing at it.